This is the Vertebrae by Gerber. The Vertebrae is a compact fixed blade for general camping and hiking utility. The glass-filled nylon sheath is optimized for use on a backpack. We've also integrated a thumb lifter for easy deployment. 7CR stainless blade steel resists corrosion, holds an edge, and is easy to resharpen. The compact, drop-point, fine-edge blade works equally well preparing food or making kindling. Full-tank construction means strength, durability, and balance. The overmolded micro-texture handle offers enhanced grip, wet or dry, and the hollow rear fastener doubles as a lanyard. The Vertebrae is offered in flat sage green and cyan. For the weekend warrior, the Vertebrae offers full-size utility in a compact format.
We have had a long journey on this planet. We hunted, we settled, we invented, and among the billions of stars in the universe, it was the sun that led our way all through this journey by giving us light, by giving us life, by giving us energy, and now by giving us electricity with planks.
The Katadyn V3 1-liter collapsible filter is the perfect smash, stash, and go water filter for on-the-go lifestyles. For the adventure traveler who packs for weight savings while abroad, The B-Free 1 liter will become a staple in your luggage and your most innovative companion, whether refueling at the airport or at the stream near your final destination. With the B-Free filter, you no longer have to worry about where your next drink will come from. Carry and filter fresh water as you go. The B-Free filter uses Katadyn Easy Clean Filter technology to remove protozoa and bacteria, even in the most challenging water conditions. The B-Free filter is designed to last longer than other filters, without the hassle of backflushing or carrying clumsy tools. It is the only microfilter that cleans easily with a shape of a switch for your water source to remove dirt and debris. Free flow channels provide sophisticated clean drinking water, at a rate of 2 liters per minute with a simple squeeze. The B-Free filter's water measurements allow you to easily measure and refill companion bottles and cook or wash dishes at hand. Smash, stash, and go with the B-Free for every outdoor and travel adventure. The B-Free easily packs down into your day pack, jacket pocket, and travel luggage. The B-Free 1 liter filter is the ideal size for a variety of front and back country travel. Hikers, runners, cyclists, travelers, and campers love the B-Free for its ability to hydrate users.
This is the Schrade ST11 Tough Tool. The ST11 is a tremendously tough multi-tool offering a high-functioning arsenal of tools for performing a plethora of everyday tasks, both on the job and in the field. With components and handle crafted from 2 CR13 stainless steel, the ST11 is well suited to get you out of a pinch in a hurry. Hand fatigue is reduced by the spring-loaded 3-function pliers that reopen after each squeeze and feature a half-needle nose pliers, powerful standard pliers, and hardened wire cutters. The ST11 makes short work of any slicing, cutting, or carving tasks with the razor-sharp 3-inch fine-edge clip-point blade. A sturdy Phillips head driver to turn even the tightest of screws. Shaping, honing, and light rasping tasks are made easy via the 2-inch long fine grit file. Find an integrated bottle opener on the bottom of the fine grit file. Use the ridged flathead driver to turn larger screws and perform light prying tasks. Fold the flathead driver backwards to reveal a stout pair of heavy-duty shears that can be used for cutting everything from paper to animal hides and even clothing. When the ST11 is not in use, attach it to the inside of a pocket using the pocket clip, or carry on the belt via the included black molded polyester belt sheet. Designed for tough everyday use, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime, this is the Schrade ST11 Multi-Tool Tough Tool. Find the ST11
We're Sierra Madre, and
and we exist to empower you to experience the wild in comfort and protection. Let me know if this sounds like you. You're out for a weekend of adventure, and the first night, you wake up shivering cold at 2 a.m. We all love sleeping outside, but there's nothing worse than being cold. I guess you could use the tiny chemical packs, but they don't really last that long, and well, they're tiny. Since you won't be going back to sleep anytime soon, you could do jumping jacks, push-ups. Look, there are a lot of tricks of this trade, but let's face it, they don't solve the problem, and none of them get you back to sleep anytime soon. We created the Hot Pocket. The patent-pending Hot Pocket is the first of its kind as an insulated stuff sack with twin battery-powered radiant heat panels, and it can be fully open and provide instant warmth anywhere. We wanted to create a modern way to stay warm in the wild. No more boiling water in plastic bottles, no more getting out of your sleeping bag. Just push a button and instantly feel its warmth, so you can get right back to peaceful slumber. The Hot Pocket is simple. When you're headed out for a camping trip, stuff your sleeping bag into it. You can compress it. The Hot Pocket reduces your insulation size by over 50%, giving you a lot more space. When you get to your campsite, you can even preheat your sleeping bag, so when you get in it, it's warm. When you're ready to go to sleep, open it and place it inside your sleeping bag. And whenever you need a little extra warmth, just press the button and the Hot Pocket will instantly warm you, so you can drift right back to sleep. The Hot Pocket uses a rechargeable battery, and to conserve its power, we added an auto shut-off feature, so you don't have to worry about getting too warm, and you'll have hours of extra warmth whenever you need it. The Hot Pocket even charges your devices, and it's solar compatible, so it's multifunctional and will keep you warm on your entire adventure. It comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. The small is perfect for a 30-degree down sleeping bag. The medium is great for a 0-degree down sleeping bag or a 30-degree top quilt and underquilt set. The large is great for a 0-degree synthetic sleeping bag or a 0-degree down top quilt and underquilt set. The Hot Pocket is constructed out of incredibly soft and breathable fabric, so it's smooth as butter and is truly nice to hold against your skin. But it's also durable, weather resistant, so you can put it through cases in the water. The Hot Pocket can be fully recharged in 90 minutes and will provide you a weekend of adventure with high energy. And if you want, you can even plug it into your car or your home, so you always have access to its magical warmth. Thanks to its lightweight, multifunctional design, you can use the Hot Pocket anywhere, at a soccer game, while you're hunting, or even on those cross-country road trips. No matter how tough you are, being cold is miserable, and it can even leave you feeling downright helpless, not to mention ruin your adventure. Why be miserable? Just replace your old stuff sack with a Hot Pocket. It only adds a few extra ounces, but it will give you peace of mind, knowing that you can warm up anytime, anywhere, with just the press of
We're Vessel, and we live to get people outdoors to explore wild, untamed spaces and sleep out under the stars. For outdoor enthusiasts like ourselves, it's an exhilarating sense of freedom. Preparing to camp in the great outdoors can be a challenge. You want your gear to be accessible, easy to carry, and super organized. And you don't want to forget anything. No matches, no campfire. Meet Vessel Camp Supplies, the world's most versatile outdoor adventure kit. It will change how you prepare for outdoor adventure forever. It contains 70 pieces of essential gear, all perfectly organized into 8 neatly labeled screw-top containers and housed inside an indestructible, waterproof LED light. And we back it with a lifetime warranty. Each Vessel camp is completely watertight and made from military-grade aluminum, keeping all the gear inside secure and dry. Stay on track with the easy-to-read, oil-filled precision compass, accurate even in frigid temperatures. Vessel Adventure Tape is ultra-versatile, perfect for gear repair, marking your trail, or bandaging wounds. The mini first aid kit holds 6 bandages, 10 wound closure strips, 2 antiseptic wipes, and safety pins. Just enough to take care of minor injuries and annoying trail blisters. The 25 feet of marine-grade rope has 250-pound braking strength, more than enough to hang a dry line, repair broken laces, or secure your gear. Use the extra sharp razor to cut kindling or repair gear. The fire starter kit's waterproof quick tinder fire starter and waterproof matches will help keep you warm, no matter the conditions. Use gear ties to hang gear in your tent or from a line. The aluminum beadless emergency whistle will ward off bears and work in any weather. A P-38 military GI type can opener. Use it as a screwdriver, a cutting edge, or dozens of other jobs. The fishing kit contains a spoon spinner, 3 worms, 6 J-hooks, split shot, a bobber, and 35 feet of line. Everything you need to catch a tasty trout for dinner. Fuel your fire with the extra tough vessel wire saw, the same one used by British military. There are 10 water purifying aqua tabs and a 1-liter water bag for when you need clean water. Use the super tough expandable bamboo cloth to strain dirty water or simply clean up after dinner. Cozy up on your favorite outdoor spot with the pure Canadian beeswax candle. Light up the trail with the ultra bright 4-mode LED floodlight. It has up to 40 hours of burn time and includes bright, dim, red, and SOS modes. And just in case, there's also a signaling mirror to let people know where you are in case of emergency. Remember, preparation is key for fun and survival in the outdoors.
I'm Rich Trudeau. I'm best known for spending lots of time below the rim of the Grand Canyon exploring technical slot canyons. I've spent about 60 nights now in the Grand Canyon backcountry in this new Jarico 2 tent, and I've got to say it's truly impressive for striking an amazing balance between bomber durability and weather and weight. This tent, first of all, was designed to be a 2-person tent that's very lightweight. It's 28 ounces. It's very roomy on the interior, 90 inches by 52 inches wide. The headroom is 45 inches. It's got dual entry doors on either side of the tent, dual vestibules. So it's very easy for 2 people to get in and out. It's easy to have 2 people storing their gear. It's got an integrated bathtub floor with no seam netting, so you can zip in entirely and keep the mosquitoes at bay. And probably one of the more interesting innovations are the 2 breathable panels at the kickouts at your head and your feet that help mitigate some of the condensation problems that are common in single wall tents. When I'm in the backcountry on a trip, there's nothing more important to me than ensuring that the shelter I have is absolutely bomber in difficult weather, especially if the trip goes beyond the duration of a typical weather forecast. You don't know what's coming at you. So I'm not willing to sacrifice weight for bomber durability. And one of the best attributes of the Jarico 2 is just how durable and bomber this tent is in harsh weather. And you can probably hear this, but we've actually got a lot of wind right now when we're recording this. And the Jarico 2 is designed with this A-frame structure, carbon fiber bar integrated in the tent. You don't have to mess with it, it doesn't come out. It's just integrated into the design. It sandwiches between your trekking poles, which extend down into hard grommets in the ground, and then a strap across the bottom. So you've got this rigid A-frame structure that is incredibly bomber. So after spending 60 nights in the Grand Canyon backcountry in the Jarico 2, this tent boils down to one word: confidence. Confidence to go into the backcountry and pursue your objectives and not worry about your gear. Hey, if you got any questions about this tent, just hit us up in the comments below.